Hey, what's going on, YouTube? This is Zaddy Daddy Dre, and we're back with part two of building the Marlboro e-bike. Last time we changed the tire out to one of these, and I think we are going to try it out again, but in the rear. And here we got the back wheel all dirty. We're gonna clean that up. The back tires are kind of like mountain bike-ish. And then as we go over here, this is what we got. More of kind of like a road look. Ooh, yeah. Oh, maybe we can pull it up and over. There we go. I don't know if that's going to be able to slide out. We'll see what happens. These back things here. Loosen this little guy. Ugh. Ugh. And then, I don't know what the heck this is. This is some kind of my own contraption here. It's like a piece of bar stock. Okay, I see you. Oh, what do we gotta do here? How do we get this off? Holy cow. How do we get that out the chain? No way. This is pretty wild. Because this has got like a little... It's got a little thing right here, so the chain doesn't come out. I don't know how we're going to take this off. Damn it. I'm going to try to get this wheel off. This is probably not the best way, but... Maybe. All right, that'll get the chain off. Do. I got the other side. Yeah. Oh. Oh, and this is the power to the motor. That's disconnected right there. Oh. Dun. Oh. Where are my little wire snips? Damn it. Dun. Dun. Bum. Boop. Dun. I just. Fuck. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Oh. All right. This thing's pretty heavy. Should probably weigh it. See how much it weighs. That'd be a good idea. I have to re-put that new tire on here. Holy cow. 1,000 watt. Probably needs to be cleaned too. All right. What do we got here? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. So I'm going to put the air out. It's deflating. It's deflating. Oh, oh. Now that it's deflated, put the thing in the tire. This thing's like really wore out. I wonder if it's because it's like on the motor side. Let me pull that. And then, oh. And there she blows. There she blows. Push the tube in through here. Yeah, there we go. All right. I always don't know why. I don't have much practice on doing this. Because it's always a struggle. But now I guess you just start here. What the heck? It's like it already wants me. Uh-oh. I don't want that. Oh, no. The faces I'm making is probably hilarious. Okay, there it is. I don't know if we keep it at 60. What's it say? 35 to 65. I don't know. 50. Bump it up. 60. Let's leave it at 60. Oh man. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Nice job, guys. All that work.